Now, 161 Nigerians stranded in Libya have voluntarily returned to the country. The returnees arrived aboard an Airbus 329 with majority of them females and about 18 infants and children. The journey was facilitated by the International Organization for Migration after the federal government asked for its assistance following the confirmation that some Nigerians were willing to return home after a certain video of killings in Libya had circulated in the media. The National Emergency Management Agency said the returnees will be resettled with the help of various state governments.
Male 60. We have 51 of them as adults, 2 of them as children, 7 as infants. Then the female, 101 in total, 92 are adults, 7 are children, and 2 are infants. The first point of call is to ensure that when they get to Nigeria, they are well received. They are our kids, they are our children, they are our sisters, they are our brothers. And as I speak to you, some of our state governments are beginning to rise up to the occasion. Around us here, we have the liaison officer of Edo State Liaison Office in Lagos, who has been sent here by his governor through the effort of the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Foreign Affairs and Diaspora Matter, to ensure that these citizens are not just received, but they are well catered for after getting to their various destinations. So ours is to do a proper profiling, ensure that these lists get to various state government concerned, and we follow it up from there.